Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're going to recreate the music player, originally created by Hussein Madi. We are going to start with the background of today's painting, and that is the yellow section of the first half of the background. For this we're going to take a big brush and then we're going to take the yellow, the white, to create a nice yellow mixture. And you can add in a hint of brown. What I usually do for an extra playful effect, I try not to overblend my colors on the palette. And what I mean with this is that I don't create one solid color, but I still leave traces of white and the brown in this. And the reason why I do that is because it then gives a more playful effect once I apply the colors on the canvas. Have a look. So with a fully loaded brush, I'm now going to apply the colors here. And as you can see, maybe you can see, maybe not, I can make it more clear. I take the white, take a bit of this mixture and add it here. And because I don't blend everything on the palette, it gives that playful effect so you can see the variation in colors. And I usually love this way of painting. It just gives more of a playful look. And now we come towards the first outline, the outline of her arm. And what I would suggest you to do is to rather bring the brush slightly over the outline. And if you look carefully, you can still see the outlines through the color as well. So this will give you more freedom. You don't need to be as perfect or ready for now for in the background. And this way of painting will just give you a nice free feeling, rather than trying to be already perfect towards this outline. We can bring now the paint just like this, because later on top of the background we're going to place the music player. Now we're going to create the dark shadow of the music player, and this mixture is very similar to the clay background mixture, but just in darker variations. So what we could do is we could scoop a little bit of the background mixture to the side and then add in more brown, more green, blue, and now with a medium brush we are gonna add all the shadows on the canvas. Whilst we apply the dark shadow color, it is important that we create really nice and smooth edges. So how to do this is to hold your brush close to the bristles, in the same way as if you would hold your pencil. And then we're gonna lean with the side and the palm of your hand on the canvas, on any spot that it's dry. This will make sure that you have maximum support. And then once you're in position, you can create easily all the nice outlines. If you find certain areas tricky, then you can always switch to a small brush. I try always to keep hold of my big or my medium brush for as long as possible. All the details usually come later. And as you can see, I can create really nice sharp lines. Only in this corner I might need to switch to a smaller brush. Now we're going to create the skin color of the music player. And for this it's important that we create more than enough of the same mixture, because it can be quite tricky to get the same color back once your color is finished. So let's create enough of the same color. And what we're going to do, you take a medium brush, take white, add brown. If you want her skin to be darker, you add more brown. If you want her skin to be lighter, you add more white. Then you're gonna add a hint of blue, only a little bit, really not too much. And a hint of yellow. And a little bit of red. And this skin color we can now apply on her face, on her arms and on her legs. Towards the features you have two options. You can either cover them if you feel comfortable or go slightly around them in such a way that only the outline is still visible. As you can see, I cover all the outlines, but I apply the paint in such a way that the outline is still visible through the paint. So if we apply it quite thin on the canvas, we still have all the sketched outlines. And it makes face application a lot easier. And the most important thing is, we are here to relax. We are here to enjoy every single step of this process. So anything that makes your life easier now is the most important thing, because if you really enjoy this, you're gonna enjoy looking at it later on as well on your wall. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece today, your very own version of the music player. I hope your painting will deserve a beautiful spot for on your wall, for everyone to forever admire. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to see you very soon again. Bye!